Monday, and we talked about ER diagrams. This is CIS database and SQL. Talk about projects a little bit, and the midterm is Wednesday. Alright, this was finishing up week 8. Alright, and this is actually day 14, and day 15 would be the midterm. So there's no separate report for the midterm. We talked a little bit about tech brew. In the project, the analysis, I wanted you to give a paragraph, not just bullets or whatever. You have to explain what it is you want, what's the objective of your database. We used tech brew as an example. Entities, we talked about members, some location, the events dependent upon the location, so that's a weak entity, and participations dependent upon members, and then, one to many, many to one, one to one. So we drew a little diagram talking about tech brew. Alright, then we did some more examples. Talking about ER diagrams. Many to many. This is mandatory. And we were talking about owners and Hardys. And we don't know for sure. And then we did another one where we have clients, we have rentals, we have devices rented. This was the example we did at the end of one of the exams. And we talked about it in class. So here we have a mandatory weak entity. Client can rent devices, rented devices, has to have somebody renting them. Okay. And we talk about players beyond many teams. So we got many to many. And then was the midterm. Took the midterm on Wednesday. We was the end of this section on ER, and then after spring break, normalization. And we'll keep talking about this and more SQL. That's it.